On September 28, 2025, an American Airlines Boeing 737-800, registration N801NN, departed Dallas-Fort Worth for Atlanta as flight AA1276. Shortly after takeoff, the crew reported a fuel imbalance and later declared an emergency. They returned to DFW, where the aircraft landed safely. Emergency crews inspected the jet for possible leaks on the right side.
American 1276, 1600, climb in via.
American 1276, on start departure, radar contact, good morning.
Morning. Departure American 1276.
Maintain 17,000, Fulbert Center 132.02, good day.
That was for 1276, I need to talk to you, sir.
American 1276, taken.
Yeah, we need to stay in the area, we have a problem, we'll get back to you.
Roger, maintain 10,000.
10,000 on the track here, and we're running a checklist, so you're right back.
Thank you.
American 1276, we need to return to the field.
Southwest 1276, roger, and say your name for emergency.
Well, we're not declaring anything yet, but we have a fuel imbalance. We think we have trapped fuel.
Roger, get you. American 1276, fly heading of 360, and what runway do you need?
36017 center, please.
American 1276, I'm going to declare the emergency for you. Expect 17 center heading at 360 for now, and when I can, I need fuel and souls.
Okay, American 1276, we have 133 on board. We have fuel of 16,000 pounds. We think we have trapped fuel on our left side. We're going to need to declare an emergency and come back to 17 center. We'll give you more information in a second.
Roger, and I'll get you a little as soon as I can.
Thank you.
American 1276, just going to maintain 8,000. You're cleared to DFW via radar vector, sliding at 350.
350 on the heading, out of 10,000 for 8,000 American 1276.
1276, contact approach on 127.07. Have a good day.
2707, so long. American 1276 with you, 8,000.
1276, approach, expect 17 center. I'm going to get you in here quickly. Turn off heading 270.
270, American 1276.
American 1276, we're going to maintain 7,000, flying 310. American 1276, maintain 7,000.
7,000, American 1276.
American 1276, and heading down 310 for traffic. 10 o'clock, 5 miles northbound at 8,000.
310 to the right, American 1276.
American 1276, we're going to maintain 6,000.
6,000, American 1276. American 1276, if you could pass along that we'd like ARP to meet us off the runway.
American 1276, I'll pass it along. 1276, heading 270, maintain 5,000.
270, 5,000, American 1276.
American 1276, maintain 4,000.
4,000, American 1276.
American 1276, turn left heading 200 to intercept 17 center. DFW to the south, 15 miles.
200, intercept the center. We have the airport inside, American 1276.
American 1276, clear visual approach 17 center.
Clear visual 17 center, American 1276. Our speed?
American 1276, contact tower on 135.7. 35.7 for you, we'll see you.
35.7, American 1276, see ya. Tower, American 1276, Mayday is with you for 17 center.
American 1276, DFW Tower, only 17 center, clear to land, the wind's gone.
Clear to land, American 1276, and request alternate missed approach, runway heading to 3 if we need it.
American 1276, and say your request?
If we go around, we'd like runway heading 3000.
American 1276, roger.
American 1276, not sure if they passed it along. Once we're clear, we'd like ARP to meet us.
American 1276, and just a heads up, and if you do have to do a misapproach, you can go to 3000, but it'd be 140 ahead.
Roger that, 3000, 140, American 1276. You copy about the R?
Affirmative, they're out here.
Thanks. American 1266, just to make sure you're at the part 2. We're going to plan on clearing the runway.
American 1276, affirmative, we copy that. American 1276, you can just hold there on mic and we'll have the R check you out.
Yeah, thanks for that. This frequency.
Affirmative, down this frequency.
Okay, 1276, Roger. We're going to set the brakes here. This position, you're clear for a 360. If you could just look for any fluid leaking or anything like that on the right side.
Okay, we're planning on going back to the gate. I think we're going to Alpha 11. If you want to follow us, that's fine, but if you don't see anything, I'm okay with you guys departing.